Are you ready to showcase your passion for fashion on your Twitter profile? In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to switch your profile to the fashion company category on Twitter using your PC. Step 1. First, click on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 2. Next, locate and click on the Edit Profile button at the top right of the page. Step 3. Scroll down the page and click on Edit Professional Profile to access advanced settings. Step 4. Now, click on the Category option to specify your profile's focus. Step 5. Search for Fashion Company in the Categories list and select it to align your profile with the fashion industry. Step 6. Finally, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes and officially switch your profile to the Fashion Company category. By following these straightforward steps, you can tailor your Twitter profile to reflect your passion for fashion and connect with others in the industry. Elevate your online presence and let your fashion flair shine through on Twitter today. Subscribe for more tech tutorials and fashion tips. Thanks for watching.